Hey, this is Shawn with Shawn Cole Enterprises. And here today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the new Royaltie app using the new AI software here in the year 2020 and the updates that they have made and how it could simplify you and your business as far as your social media content posting and collecting leads. As you can see here is the Royaltie app. I'm going to click on it. It's going to open up. And it's going to make suggestions for my social media posting for the day. As you see here at the very top, it goes over different posts, suggestions for me to post, and you can make your selection here and the landing pages that you have created in your back office where these posts will go to, or basically your web page. All right, right here for one of the business that I manage at social media. We have, which is a tire shop, and that's a landing page that I created for them. Here's the content that they are suggesting that I post for this page. It's an automotive post, of course, because it is a tire shop. And here, how to make money online, advertise with Shawn, direct selling. We're not an MLM. This is a video here. Again, advertise with Shawn. I'm sorry, this would be for my Make Money with Shawn. Another video here, 7 easy ways to make money at home. So here we go. We're going to go here, and we're going to post here to this website. And what you would do, click the post button here on your phone, give it a second, and pull it up. I want to post to Facebook. Create a post. Post this in a group. I'm going to choose a group that I want to post to. Just post it there in my group. Good tips on how to make money online. Take a look. And hit the post button. Have you succeeded in publishing your post? Click the yes button. Your social marketing is done. Great. Hit the great button. Would you like to add this content to your website's blog? Yes, I would. Your blog is done. That's the power of this Royaltie AI system. If you don't have a blog, we create a blog for you. Don't have a website will create it for you. Hit awesome. And one thing that will save you time, which equals money. Would you like to email this content to your followers? These followers that you have marketed to and they have opted into your list, it's come up with content for you related to your particular niche, and you can keep in constant contact with those customers or those leads. Your email is done. Excellent. And you're done. That's simple. That process could take you under 5 minutes, and within basically 4 simple clicks on your phone, your marketing can be done for you and your business to save you valuable time. And also, if you are new, or maybe you have a old business but you just might not be that tech savvy, this AI system will save you plenty of time of fretting or worrying about coming up with content and how to post and having multiple systems to do all this for you. All this is done in one system, right in the palm of your hand from your smartphone, as you saw me do it here today. Very simple, very easy. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, leave a comment on this video here. If you like this video, of course, leave a like. Want more information on how to make money online, you can subscribe to my channel because that's what I go over. If you were interested in the software that I just showed you, I'm leaving a link in the description section of this video, or you can reach out to me if you have any questions, you want more information. You can reach out to me. I'm Shawn Cole. You can reach me 410-929-3390. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.